Guangzhou AceHeadwear Manufacturing Company Limited is a rapidly growing high-quality headwear production company dedicated to providing our customers with complete satisfaction through superior quality and timely delivery. With over 10 years of experience, AceHeadwear boasts a well-trained team of professionals at our office, complemented by our high-quality production crew at our factories in Guangzhou, China. We are an accredited manufacturer for globally renowned brands, including Major League Baseball, Champion, Fila, Kappa, Fila, Regist One, Dunlop, Jeep, Diamond, Prince, Buff, Wilson, Alo, Cabine, Bemlofen, and so on. Our products are exported worldwide to the USA, Europe, the Middle East, Asia, Australia, etc. We specialize in high-quality caps and hats. Our service scope extends beyond mere manufacturing. We guarantee all production processes and client communications adhere to the stringent standards of North America, Europe, and Asia-Pacific markets. Our end-to-end service begins upon receiving your artwork and culminates in efficient product delivery. We also provide popular private labeling solutions to meet specific brand requirements. We are dedicated to ensuring you benefit from and enjoy the products we bring to market. Our mission is to deliver client-talk products and services, optimize resource utilization, and enhance our employees' lives. At AceHeadwear, passionate professionals bring your ideas to life, crafting exceptional headwear that exceeds expectations. We warmly welcome friends from all walks of life at home and abroad to cooperate and develop together. We look forward to cooperating with you.